year till the next Sana comes, okay. Now we will start actual seminar. Now our first speaker will be Dr. Sattar Sheikh. Dr. Sattar Sheikh does not need introduction. His role in this medical camp and the seminar is really marvelous. Sattar was graduated from Rakat Medical College in 1985. Since then he's been active. He lives in Kalamazoo, Michigan, and he's practicing as a general medicine. So I will ask Dr. Sattar to come and talk about his hypertension, please.
Thank you. Well, just Hafiz Babu slide ठीक करें. Again, I am Sattar Sheikh. Well, my better half is she's keep looking at me. Sadat. खैर आदा हाफिज मुखे जो के हाई ब्लड प्रेशर ते गाला है तो उन्हें जला 5-10 मिनट जो मु लेक्चर तैयार कियो आ आदा हाफिज का दाना दुआ